Hey guys, sore tongue, tingling, burning in the tongue. It's a very difficult issue, right? And we're probably thinking about, wow, heart control tongue must be heart issues. But guess what? Any organs out of balance will actually put pressure on the heart and come out with the condition with sore tongue, burning, and tingling tongue, right? Sensation, I mean. What happened with the treatment yesterday with the patient? So she came in, first treatment, and then I did the organs balance first. So what I did is I used pose to figure it out is actually the stomach out of balance. So I improve water, kidney, improve liver, and reduce stomach. And guess what? After the treatment, and she said the tingling, sore, and burning is gone, and just dryness. So I gave a cup of water to her, and she drank it. It doesn't change, but it's not the dryness, right? It's still imbalance in the tongue. So I did the structure imbalance with New Balance acupuncture. We balance the meridian and balance the organs as well as structure, but I mainly apply the structure one. And then guess what? After that, it's all gone. That's it. So tongue problem is difficult. Most people will think about is the heart, may not be the heart. Right? Do you get it? So New Balance method acupuncture will get instant relief for that conditions. Contact us and join our workshop.